Hi friends, in case if you are facing this problem, setup does not support configuration or installation to disk, I will show you how to solve this. First you go to the BIOS setup. In my laptop, for entering the BIOS, it is the escape key. Because of this I am pressing the escape key here and go to the enter setup to BIOS. In the BIOS setup, go to the advanced option and then select here VMD setup menu. By default it is enabled VMD controller. Make sure that it should be disabled, then only your problem will be solved. And then press F10 and save it, and then restart your PC and select your boot device. For installing Windows 11, now I am selecting the bootable device HP. Wait for few seconds, Windows 11 installation will be started. And then select next, select keyboard settings, next, and install Windows 11, next. Accept it. Now you can see here all the partitions are visible now. Okay, your problem has been solved. Thank you.